Welcome to Monday Manifestation, a guided meditation, episode 10. Today we are focusing on allowing and accepting the 999 portal energy of renewal and abundance. The 9 represents the end of a cycle, making the 999 portal a time for tying up loose ends and graduating, entering into a higher phase of life. Letting go and release. This energetic gateway guides you to release old habits, fears, and beliefs that are holding you down. Healing and forgiveness. It provides deep healing, dissolving pain and guilt to make space for love and light. New beginnings and abundance. As one cycle ends, the 999 portal prepares you for a fresh start and a new reality, often accompanied by feelings of renewal and abundance. Higher consciousness and purpose. The 999 energy acts as a cosmic wake-up call to align with your soul purpose and higher spiritual consciousness. Karmic release. It is a time to clear old karmic baggage and ancestral patterns, allowing for a profound spiritual reset. Let's work with the energy. Engage in rituals like writing a release letter, then burning it or tearing it up to symbolize old cycles. Wear, hold, or carry a crystal to purify the energy. Journal about what you are ready to let go of and what you want to call into your life. Meditate and use positive affirmations to align with the energy of forgiveness, love, and abundance. Practice gratitude for the past lessons learned, applying them to build wisdom for new beginnings.